I want to thank you all for being here with us this morning to kick off this 2017 Amnesty Program that the Hidalgo County is offering and joining efforts with all law enforcement and all over the state of Texas with their efforts in trying to enforce any outstanding monies that are pending that deal with Class C offenses. So here we are today on behalf of the District Attorney's Office, the Justice Courts, and also law enforcement that you see behind me, Constable's Office, Sheriff's Office. You know, I want to thank them for being here this morning as well. And I also want to thank everyone for everything that they've done, the great efforts that they've put in trying to enforce and do their job and trying to collect what's pending. And when I say collect what's pending, we're talking about monies that are outstanding due to traffic citations, Class C citations, and we're talking about monies in the millions of dollars that are pending. So why are we here today? We are here today to tell the citizens of this county that they are getting an opportunity to come in and to JP offices, and if they know they have a traffic citation or warrant that's pending, this is an opportunity for anyone to come in and take care of that. Again, I want to stress that it's an opportunity for all county citizens that they'll have an opportunity to come in and to the JP offices and be able to work out something if they have a traffic citation pending, or more importantly, a warrant. Now, how does it become a warrant? Obviously, if someone's been given a traffic citation, a Class C offense, usually a warrant comes into effect when that ticket or citation is not paid for. And yes, it has many consequences. You know, one of those consequences is that if you have a pending warrant, and rightfully so, there's a traffic stop or somehow, some way, you come and you have some kind of conversation with a law enforcement officer, and at one point, if law enforcement officers find out that there's a warrant somehow, some way, then obviously that officer has to do their job. But again, we're here to try to avoid that. We're here to offer everyone an amnesty, and that amnesty will be between the dates of today all the way to March 5th. From today's date all the way to March 5th. Now, come March 5th, you will not be able to come in and work out something with the JP judges and the District Attorney's Office. But until today, from today till March 5th, you have that opportunity. Now, I'm going to have someone come up, explain to you what happens when there's a warrant pending. What happens when you've got a citation, you don't take care of the citation, and it becomes a warrant. Because not only is there a consequence of someone getting arrested because of a Class C violation, but there's other consequences as well that are in effect here in Hidalgo County. I'm going to ask Mr. Schreiber to come up and give a quick explanation on what the county offers or what's in effect and trying to collect fees as well.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I guess the first step, once a ticket is issued, you're given an appear by date to show up for the court, to enter a plea with the court. That's usually within 10 days of issuance of the citation. If you do not show up in that initial 10-day period, a warrant for your arrest will be issued after that 10-day period is up. That'll be done automatically by the court. At that time, the scofflaw 90-day period starts in effect. Once that 90 days runs, the scofflaw fee will be added. You will not be able to renew registration on your vehicle. With certain participating courts, there's also an omni-base fee that will be added, and you will not be able to renew your driver's license. Now, if you do make your initial appearance, you can take care of the ticket at that time. If you don't take care of the ticket at that time, you'll be given a pretrial date to come in and talk to myself or one of the other assistant district attorneys at the court. If the individual doesn't appear for that date, then that will start a failure to appear and also start the 90 days on the scofflaw and any omni fees with the participating courts. Beyond that, we can work out the case. If we still fail to, the case will be set for trial. Again, failure to appeal for the trial date will result in a failure to appear and the time frame starting on the scofflaw. And really what we'd like to do is just work out these cases and get them done. And if we can't, we can take them to trial, but we can definitely do all that with the JPs. So is there anything? No? Okay.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. Thank you. You heard from Mr. Schreiber, who's our one of our chief prosecutors here at the DA's office. And again, we like to explain, as Mr. Schreiber has said, you know, what happens when a Class C citation is not taken care of. And obviously, we don't want you to be in that situation. But if you are, again, you know, today until March 5th, you're given the opportunity to come in and without getting arrested and try to work something out with the JP judges in our office. And I also want to thank the JP judges for all their great work and efforts and what they do, and as well as our constables and our sheriff that's behind me here. So again, I ask the citizens of Hidalgo County, please take advantage of the opportunity to take care of any citations that you have pending, especially if it's a warrant. As Mr. Schreiber explained to you, you know, there's other consequences of possibly getting arrested. I know that driver's licenses are important. Obviously, license plate inspections are also important. You know, these are things that we need in our everyday lives. So please take advantage of the opportunity. At this time, I'd like to turn it over to the sheriff so he can say a few words.
Thank you. Again, the message here is the County of Hidalgo is giving you an opportunity to take care of any outstanding issues that you have with the justice courts. I think it's a great opportunity. Now, it could save yourself quite a bit of embarrassment because it always happens at the very last. You know, when you're out there doing something, and for whatever reason, you get to interact with law enforcement, and they run your name, and you have an outstanding warrant for your arrest because you didn't take care of a previous citation. So I want to thank the district attorney's office, all our justice JPs that are out there working hard. I want to thank all our constables for what they do, and I want to thank our county IT department, Office of the Executive Office, for all their hard work that they put into this program. And I encourage all our citizens to please take advantage of it. You know, you've got again, like the district attorney said, through March 5th to take care of it, and I think it's a wonderful program, and we're happy to participate in it. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sheriff. I think at this point, Mr. Salazar, would you like to say a few words? And Mr. Salazar is the Director of Strategic Planning from the Budget Department, so I want to have Mr. Salazar come up and say a few words.
Good morning. Thank you. As the district attorney and the law enforcement community and the justice community had just stated, we also would like to inform our general public that individuals that may have some outstanding balances can go to our county website, and they are provided with a remedy to do that from home. That website is pay.hidalgocounty.us. Pay.hidalgocounty.us. Again, this is an alternative that individuals have in addition to going visiting the Justice of the Peace or doing it from home and taking care of their outstanding balances that they may owe. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Salazar. At this time, this concludes the press conference. And again, I stress to all the citizens, please take advantage of the opportunity of this amnesty program. Please go to the JP offices, and obviously our office will also be involved in and trying to work something out. That way you won't have a warrant pending on Class C citations or warrants that are pending. So thank you again. God bless all of you, and have a great day. Thank you.